We want to describe the correlation in our graph here and decide if a linear model is appropriate. So we have some points on a graph. If we notice the points as we're going to the right, they are also going up, right? So this correlation that we're seeing here looks like it's a positive correlation. As we go to the right, we're going up. It's a positive correlation. Now we have to decide if a linear model is appropriate. Well, if a linear model is appropriate here for our dots, we almost can see that if we put a straight line through, it looks like it's estimating where these points are going to be. And this one does look like it. If I draw a straight line, more or less, through here, it looks like the dots here, the points on our graph, are following that trend, that correlation. So I would say yes, a linear model is appropriate. Model is appropriate. All right. So yes, we have a positive correlation with the data, and yes, a linear model is appropriate for it.